AMC stock is going down in value, and those diamond-handed apes out there are cheering as if this is the greatest thing they have ever seen. Adam Aron driving the price of AMC lower in order to do this reverse split, but this is good news, right? Well, not so fast. Everybody is just blindly following Adam Aron down this trail that leads to where? AMC's fundamentals increasing. AMC's fundamentals improving. AMC winning out on this entire multi-year ordeal, and retail investors footing the bill. Retail investors pockets empty. Retail investors sitting here wondering what happened. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be discussing a little bit more about the reverse split, a little bit more about the combination of AMC and ape shares, and why this could be the end of the short squeeze if Adam Aron gets his way. Let's discuss it, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, you can buy, sell, short, leverage, whatever you want to do out there. You've got KuCoin and Binance. Please be aware, they do offer rewards for the more active trader, but no centralized exchange is safe right now. Even those that are recommended down there, good place to buy, good place to sell, but may not be a good place to hold. Guys, I want to jump into this video though, and I know there's two complete opposite spectrums of the situation here when it comes to AMC stock. Those that are literally blindly following Adam Aron, not testing any of the information that he says, and trusting 100% in whatever he decides to do, without looking at the fact that he is 100% committed to making sure AMC Entertainment, the company, has money on hand. AMC Entertainment, the company, is able to increase revenue, and AMC Entertainment is able to move on and grow into the future. Not so that retail investors can enact a short squeeze. Not so that hedge funds can have their demand and the supply strangled so much that when they do go to cover shorts, it causes this short squeeze that people have been here for years waiting for now. And Adam Aron does not care if he steps on your back to get to where he wants to go. They are bleeding retail investors dry with this, and they are feeding the hedge funds. There is no other way to look at that rationally. And I know that this idea of a reverse split could seem like a very good idea for AMC Entertainment. Now, this is stemming from a few different things. Cosmos Health, a couple of days/weeks ago, had an amazing day following a reverse split. And it started to perpetuate this idea that when you do a reverse split, it is a good thing. Changing of the QSIP is a good thing. It causes the shorts to cover, and therefore the price rockets higher. Look at any other situation of a reverse split that you want, and you will see that that is not the case. It is not guaranteed to move the price higher. In fact, AMC has been falling much, much lower on news of this reverse split, yet people are continuing to praise Adam Aron and this upcoming decision at this shareholders meeting. The shareholder meeting, you guys can go back and watch the previous video on what is being voted on. It is a 1-for-10 reverse split, and it is also the combination of shares of AMC stock and ape stock. Here's what we really need to look at, and that's the number of short shares out there. Because if you're here for AMC's fundamental growth, okay, great. This could be an amazing opportunity for you to not only issue more shares of ape, pay down debt, have more money and cash on hand, and who really cares what the shorts are doing out there, right? Because you are increasing the fundamental value of AMC. That's good. If you're here for a short squeeze, you're concerned with certain things. Those are the short interest and how many short shares are outstanding and known to be outstanding. If you believe in the naked shorts for AMC stock, I get it. Your thesis is still on, right? It may be impossible and you may never prove that those naked shorts exist in AMC. It is your battle to fight. But if you believe in the reported short shares and the numbers and what the regulators will be making or requiring to be covered in AMC stock, you were sitting on roughly 100 million shares of AMC, and you were sitting on roughly 100 million shares of APE that must be covered. So therefore, you have nearly 200 million shares that need to be covered. Remember, there's going to be a combination of these two, and it's going to be roughly 200 million shares. Adam Aron just sold 200 and I believe 66 million shares to Antera Capital, another hedge fund out there. They need to cover 200, and he just sold them 266. If we're looking at the short shares, and we know that these hedge funds need to cover 200 million shares, and they were just sold 266 million, they have all that they need. It does not matter if you restrict the supply. It does not matter if we do not sell the shares. They already own the shares that they need to cover. And Adam Aron sold them those shares at 66 cents a piece. They were able to cover every single short share that is reported. Remember, I'll still stay on board with you guys that believe that the naked shorts exist. But the ones that are reported, they can cover them many times over now, and they were able to do so for 66 cents. Not only did he sell them those shares at 66 cents a piece, those shares are now worth well over $1.70. Those hedge funds, Antera Capital, made over $300 million, thanks to Adam Aron, in less than a 48-hour period. Guys, if they have the short shares that they need to cover, how could there possibly be a short squeeze unless those naked shares did exist? So if you're looking at this situation and you are thinking about voting yes to allowing them to convert APE into AMC, if you are voting yes to a reverse split, and you are voting yes to the authorization to issue increased capital and increased shares of AMC, you are voting yes to the potential killing of a short squeeze. You are voting yes to allowing AMC Entertainment and Adam Aron to further dilute retail investors and further promote the institutional investors and hedge funds, and you are voting yes to this idea that retail owns the float, giving that to institutional investors own the float. I think it is an absolute terrible idea when it comes to the short squeeze. It is a great idea for the future success of AMC Entertainment. The only dilemma, the only question that needs to be answered is how many bodies will Adam Aron stack up that he can stand on top of them. King of what? The apes? You got me at this point, guys. I think it's disgusting. This was one of the greatest retail movements that I have ever seen in my entire life. This community was huge, and it has turned from squeezing the hedge funds and making retail investors filthy rich to making sure Adam Aron, AMC Entertainment get all of the money paid for exclusively by retail investors who will be left holding a bag. And I know this is very difficult to hear. I know this is what not a lot of people want to hear. I know this is devastating news. But this is what happens when you believe in the suits. This is what happens when you believe in Adam Aron, who is willing to do anything and everything, even if it means stepping on you and I to accomplish the goal and make sure that AMC Entertainment is just fine. I want to squeeze the hedge funds, but instead we are watching the hedge funds make hundreds of millions of dollars as the price of AMC is dropping down. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.